Okay. Everybody wants to go outside. So, if I can walk and see at the same time, we'll go to the door and let everybody out. All right. Hold on. Okay. Gabby, move over. There, girl. All right. Oh. We got little trees out there. Ready, set. Okay. Go! There's Jessie, and there's Oscar, and Anna, and Gabby, who can't get down anymore. Cherber, Cherokee, and Molly. They're barking at nothing. That's Gabby, Jessie, and Molly. Molly gets cold real quick, so she'll want to come first. Gabby's my little prancer. Hi, Molly. Are you too cold? Come on, sweetheart. You can go back in. Yeah, that's a good girl.